A man and a woman were kicked off a Cook County jury Thursday in the midst of deliberations in a dramatic turn at the high-stakes trial of 6 reputed West Side gang leaders. After about an hour of debate among attorneys in court, Judge Michael McHale excused one juror who had allegedly made racial bullying comments in the jury room and another who allegedly lied on her jury questionnaire about whether she had family members with gang ties. 2 alternates will be called in, and the new jury will have to start deliberations over again at the Layton Criminal Court building. The jury had begun deliberating late Tuesday afternoon. 6 reputed leaders of the Black Soul Street Gang are on trial in Cook County's first test of a tough state anti-racketeering law. Testimony has played out over about 2 months. The forewoman and a second juror sent a note to McHale about noon hinting at turmoil in the jury room. The note, read aloud in court by the judge, complained of unfairness and warned of a hung jury if certain issues were not addressed. The note also alleged that one juror had admitted that her father and brother were members of the Black Souls gang. That juror, known only as Juror 28 because the identity of the jurors was kept secret for apparent safety reasons, was called to the witness stand to address the controversy. She testified under oath that she made a reference to Black Souls family members in the jury room only while making a hypothetical point during deliberations. I was like, for example, if my father is a Black Soul, it doesn't make me a Black Soul, she said. But when questioned further, she acknowledged her brother belonged to a different gang, the Vice Lords. After she was excused from the courtroom, McHale reviewed her jury questionnaire from the bench and discovered she had answered no to a question if any member of her immediate family was in a street gang. She's off, McHale said. Just before 1 p.m., the judge sent a note back to the jury to let them know the juror had been excused and instructing them to halt the deliberations. The note also accused Juror 143 of racial bullying and male chauvinism. McHale called the forewoman to the stand to ask for clarification. The woman, referred to in the courtroom only as Juror 120, said she couldn't recall her fellow jurors' exact words. But his offensive remarks had been occurring over the course of yesterday and this morning, she said. It has not gotten better. She told McHale that the jurors' comments had been directed toward both the defendants and his fellow jurors. The judge dismissed the juror without questioning him in court. McHale hinted that he had presented problems before, but he did not elaborate. He has been a terribly high-maintenance juror, the judge said. It's clear he doesn't want to be here. mcrepo@chicagotribune.com. Twitter @crepo